nutrition in animals or modes of nutrition in animals. Animals are heterotrophs. They obtain food plants or animals that feed on plants. Based on the nature of food, animals are of following types, such like herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasitic animals, saprophagous animals, scavengers or scavengers. So animals are heterotrophs. They obtain food from green plants or animals that feed on plants. So based on the nature of food, animals are of following types. First of all, we are talking about herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals feed only on plants or plant parts. For example, cow, buffaloes, goat, deer, rabbit, horse, elephant, etc. Now, second type of animals is carnivorous animal. They feed on the flesh of other animals. Examples: lion, tiger, leopard, panther, etc. Third type is omnivorous plants. Carnivorous or omnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants, they feed on the flesh or other animals. Example: lion, tiger, leopard, panther, etc. Omnivorous animals feed on both, such like plants and animals. For example, crow, pig, man, cockroaches, etc. So the mode of nutrition in herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous animals is called holozoic nutrition. However, some animals are parasites, saprophagous, or scavengers. Now we are talking about parasitic animals. So parasitic animals obtain food and shelter from the host. So they may be endoparasites or ectoparasites. Now we are talking about what is difference between endoparasites and ectoparasites. Endoparasites live inside the host body and derive nutrients from the host's body fluid, blood or tissue. For example, malarial parasites live in RBCs and WBCs. This is types of blood. So flatworms and roundworms reside in liver or intestine. After that, ectoparasites such as ticks, mites, body rolls, and cling to the body surface of their host and suck their bloods. These are called ectoparasites. Saprophagous animals feed on dead and decaying organic matters of animals and plants in the soil, such like earthworms are saprophagous animals. Now, scavengers. So scavengers feed on the body of dead animals. Vulture, hyena, jackal, etc. are scavengers. A step in animals' nutrition. Animals take solid food. The nutrients in the food are the form of complex organic compounds. They are carbohydrates, protein, and fats. So these can be used only when break down into simple soluble molecules. These simple molecules are absorbed by the intestinal wall of digestive system and are distributed to the body cells. So undigested waste material is expelled out of the body. So therefore, process of animal nutrition involves injection, digestion, absorption, assimilations, and ejections. First of all, injections. It is the process of taking food from outside into the body. So different, such like the process of taking food from outside into the body. Different animals use different methods of for injection of food. You have so digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into simple soluble molecules by the action of digestive enzymes. Digestion involves both physical and chemical actions. Physical actions involves chewing in the buccal cavity breaks down the solid food into smaller pieces. Churning in the stomach make a fine paste of food and mixes it with gastric juices. Now, after that, chemical action involves breakdown of carbohydrates into simple sugar, yani glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, proteins into amino acid. First of all, absorption. Absorption is the process by which simple and soluble molecules of digested food are absorbed through the intestinal wall and transported to blood and blood stream. Now, assimilation. Assimilation, that means it is the process of utilization of absorbed nutrients by the body cells for energy and synthesis of new substances. Ejection. What is ejection? Ejection is the process of getting rid of undigested solid part of the food. It is also called defecation. Now, nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a minute single-celled organism. It has no mouths or anus. The food is taken in at any point on the body. Amoeba is a carnivorous animal. It feeds on aquatic microscopic organisms. Injection of amoeba. On coming in contact with the food, amoeba pushes finger like false food around the food and engulfs it. So the food gets trapped in a food vacuole within the body. So into the food vacuole from the surrounding cytoplasm. Now absorption. The digested food diffuses into the surrounding cytoplasm and is used for energy growth and repair. Ejection. The undigested food is expelled out of the body at any point because amoeba has no anus. Now we are talking about human digestive system. Human beings are omnivorous. We eat different parts of plants like roots, fruit, fruits, and seeds.